Blood tests and DUIs, what you need to know. So you get arrested for DUI, the officer says, I want a breath test from you. And the person arrested says, hey, I want a blood test. I don't trust that junky machine. When I go to the doctor's office, he doesn't test me with any breath test machine. He tests my blood. I want the science. I want the reliable blood test. Guess what? In Florida, if you're arrested for a misdemeanor DUI, before you can get a blood test, you have to give a breath test first. So you cannot demand what test you want to test the alcoholic content of your blood. The officer gets to decide. But once you give a breath test, then the officer has to assist you in getting a blood test. So that's what happens with blood tests. You are not entitled to choose which one you want. Now, on a felony case, if it's a serious one, they will get your blood. On a misdemeanor case, the police cannot even ask for blood. You can voluntarily give it, but they cannot get a warrant for it. On a felony case, DUI manslaughter, somebody's killed, DUI serious bodily injury, felony multiple convictions, they can get blood. Now they have to get a warrant. There is an exigency requirement, but they would have to go to a judge, get a warrant, and then get your blood. What they'll do in a felony case a lot of times is get a breath test and a blood test, and that can help the prosecution because they have two different points of reference for what your blood alcohol level was over a period of time so that you can get into retrograde extrapolation. But as far as a misdemeanor case, and you say, I want a blood test, I don't want that junky breath test, that's not really going to help you. In court, you can make the argument to a jury going, I was willing to take a test, just not a breath test, but you're not going to get one. That's how it works.